How's everyone doing today? Wanted to bring this short video because I did a little bit of a modification on the Blizzards, also known as the Tippmann 98s. So this is a spare valve that I have, and I just wanted to explain what I did on this valve. So the Tippmann 98s, these valve springs, the stock valve springs, they have a lot of tension. So I bought a Tippmann Deluxe spring kit, which comes with a very heavy hammer spring and a couple other lighter springs, and it also came with a light for high pressure, a light spring for the inside of this valve. That's the stock spring right in there. So I had to take all this apart and get the stock spring out and put the lighter spring in there. And what that theoretically does is, when the hammer hits this pin right here, it allows this to go down. Not only does it go down further, but it allows it to stay open for a lot longer. The second thing that I did was, this is one of the bolts that I have. This one is made out of aluminum, and I have spare of these power tubes, and this one is made out of plastic, but it's the same concept as this one. So I replaced, see, it's lighter than this one. That's why I got the little scale out, because this one is 15 grams, 15 grams point 15, and this one is 7.7 grams. So I swapped it out for the lighter one, so the heavier spring can push that hammer forward a lot faster than with this one. So that's two modifications that I did. This time we're gonna go out and shoot them in a few seconds. We're gonna see if it increased any power, if I could get any more FPS out of it. So catch you guys in a little bit. Okay, so this is the shooting section of this video. We have here the 5 grand riot balls. We have my wife's Blizzard, and let me turn this chrono on. We have the target down there. Now again, I don't know if these mods are going to do anything FPS wise, but I'm just checking out if I can get any more power out of it. That's the new spring. Again, it's the Tippmann Deluxe spring kit. I will put links in the description of what we did. So here we go. Hang on to that. See if we can get that. Now this CO2 was used. I think I got a mag or two out of it already, so it's not a brand new CO2. Okay, it's aired up, and let's see what we can get. $276, $291, $293, $293, $291, $287, $286, $284, $285, $286, and that's it. So no power gains. So we didn't get no power gain out of these two mods. Like I said, I was just checking to see if I can get any more power out of it, but I guess not. So after running some numbers after the test, so averaging 290 is roughly 19.5, almost 20 joules of kinetic energy. I don't know if it's the CO2s, because this has been stored for a while, and I know that it's off, but they do seem to lose a little bit of air from from storage. Again, I'm just experimenting with the blizzards to see how much power I can get out of it. I will link the springs in the description, but it's basically almost the same thing. I will test this again with a brand new CO2 and see what I get with a brand new CO2, because like I said, this one is used. I did have like a mag, maybe 2 mags already shot out of this one. So I will be testing this, this setup with a brand new 90 gram CO2 cylinder and see what happens. All right, have you guys a good night. See you guys next time.